Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download YouTube videos to view offline on mobile app. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to download YouTube videos here so that you can view them offline, well, this one is kind of easy, but also there are a few things that you may want to know here. So first things first, you want to open up the YouTube app here, and you want to go and just navigate to the video that you may want to download here. So obviously, I'm going to just select a random video here. Let's go and just choose this one. Now, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and basically look for the section here for download on this video. Let's click on skip for now. Let's go and pause this one. So in this case, if you do see the download, you can go and just click on download. It's going to start downloading that video and you can view this offline. Now also alternatively here, I'm going to download a different video just to give you some idea. Maybe I want to download this video here. Let's go and click on the three dotted option on the bottom right of that video and you should see the download video as well. So if you click on download video and once it's actually completed, you can just click on the view button. You see at the very bottom of your screen. But what if you want to view this inside your account? So let's just say you don't want to click on the view button immediately here. So yeah, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the U section at the bottom right here, and you should see a section here for your videos. Now the thing with this one is it should give you the option that says download. So if you click on downloads, it should show you all the videos that you've downloaded. Now the thing with downloaded videos on your YouTube account, or in your YouTube account here or the YouTube app, the quality may be quite limited. So if I'm not mistaken, you can only like 380 or 720p pixels. That's the max that you can download right now for YouTube, even lower if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so that's the only downside here. So if you don't have any internet, you can still watch it, but it's in lower quality. Now if you want to watch it in higher quality, like let's just say in 4K or whatever, you may need to get the YouTube Premium to view that video in higher quality. And obviously it will take a lot more time to download that video since it's going to be in a bigger or higher quality, but that's about it. So you just need to click on one of the videos here and you should be able to watch them without having any internet. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.